Well, yes, working. But for once, not on the weekend. It's SailGP. Sydney Harbour is a bit busier than usual. And the Aussies show off.
There's no jib on that thing even.
In about 20 knots of breeze, these guys make 30 knots speed. I'm way slower on my way back home. While Lisa is looking for a flat, I'm at work, and Jade Akka is our home. 2 days a week we usually go sailing with Jolie and our friends. In between we explore Balmain, our neighborhood for now. The sailing crew on Jolie is very international. Swiss, Dutch, American, Brazilian and Australian. On the 100% Australian harbour.
Jetzt halt eine längere Mittagspause erst am Abend. So ist Sydney.
So we work, we sail, we work, we sail. And sometimes in between, we sail.
Highweg angesagt. Und zwar über den Yachtclub. Und es gibt etwas zu essen nach einem langen Arbeitstag.
And yet another wonderful sunset. The other weekend, we go for a walk with Paul in Maroubra. And on rare occasions, we take the ferry back home to Balmain. And we are looking forward to the time cruising by with Jade Akka again.